Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to like someone using Bumble web. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type bumble.com and hit on enter right now. Well guys, this is the official homepage of Bumble. Right here, you can see something like join. You can click on this button if you have not created an account, else you have created one. Click on the sign in button right here. You can sign in using your Facebook account or your mobile number as well. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, this is Bumble web. Now let's try to like someone on Bumble. Well, here is the cross button right here and the tick button. The tick button meaning like, the cross button meaning pass. And right here at the bottom end of this tab, you can see something like this. The left arrow means pass, right arrow scroll up, bottom arrow scroll down, and right arrow means like. Now let's try it. I'm gonna click on this interested button right here. And as you can see, it's on interested. Now let's try to look at I'm not interested. Here's the button right here that says pass. Click on it. And guys, that's it. Do you know that you can also super swipe if you click on this button right here? That's the star-like icon. Well guys, that's it. That's how you like someone on Bumble web. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.